Welcome to Gramma's Remedies, timeless wellness tips inspired by generations of tradition. Today, we're shining a light on a simple yet powerful tonic that Gramma always trusted: apple cider vinegar drink. This age-old remedy has been used for generations to give the digestive system a gentle boost before meals. If you're someone looking for a natural way to support digestion and feel more balanced after eating, this might just be the remedy you've been missing. Today's remedy: apple cider vinegar drink, a time-tested digestive support tonic made with just 2 simple ingredients. What you need: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of warm water. How to make it: simply mix the apple cider vinegar into the warm water. Stir gently until fully combined. For best results, drink it about 15 to 20 minutes before your meals. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Why it works: apple cider vinegar is known to help stimulate stomach acid production, which can aid in the more efficient breakdown of food. It may also help reduce bloating and support overall digestive health. With every sip, you're tapping into a trusted tradition that's helped generations feel their best at the table. Try it and stay connected. Try adding this quick tonic to your daily routine and see how it supports your digestion naturally. Be sure to follow Gramma's Remedies so you never miss another timeless wellness tip, each one designed to bring you closer to a healthier, more balanced life. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before using herbal or natural remedies, especially if you have underlying conditions or take medications. Thanks for joining us at Gramma's Remedies. Until next time, take care and stay naturally well.